So, if you're like me, you like taking care of your car, but winter's been harsh, and before you do your big spring clean on the car, full detail, I just thought I'd do a touchless wash just to make it look better for the next few weeks. Now, believe it or not, this car was actually washed about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and as you can see, there is a lot of dirt and salt all over, especially the bottom half of the car. It is coated in the stuff, it's filthy. The back window is shocking. The wheels are extremely dull, and today I want to try and fix that. I'm going to use Sonax's Multi-Star All-Purpose Cleaner as like a snow foam, and also for the wheels some Mild Deep Purple Iron Fallout Remover. So first off, I'm using the purple by Mild Deep. And then onto Sonax's Multi-Star. The reason I'm using the all-purpose multi-star cleaner is just so it's a little bit stronger, and I'm not too worried about it sort of stripping any previous coatings in the car because that'll come with the big spring clean. The back of the car, being in direct sunlight, dried out quite quickly, so I'll give it a quick top up. So after about 5 minutes, let's jet it off. And here are the results, and I've got to say, I am really pleased with the overall look for the fact that I have not touched the car. So I've prevented any swirling or damage to the paint. And from a distance, it actually looks completely clean. The rear window was absolutely filthy, so this was a good test to see what it had done. And it's done a good job. It's not completely clean, but it's a hell of a lot better. I think the wheels is what came out the best. Granted, it did have the fallout remover as well as the all-purpose cleaner. The arches, though, are definitely in need of a contact wash. But just doing a little bit of a finger test, there's a very light bit of dirt on there. Not bad. Lower skirts need a little bit of contact. But yeah, just look at these wheels. There's barely any dirt left on there on my finger. The combination of the two has done a fantastic job of that. Clean finger test, let's see what the back's like. Only a very, very light bit of dirt on my finger. Again, really good. So overall, I am really happy with the end results of that. The fact that, I probably only spent 10-15 minutes on the car between using the fallout remover on the wheels from Mile Deep and the all-purpose multi-star cleaner from Sonax without having to touch the car, reducing any damage of any swirls. I think it's done a fantastic job. I'm happy for the car to be like this now for the next 2 to 3 weeks before I do a full decontamination and protection. I have got a 10% code for anyone who's interested for the Mile Deep product. Sadly, I don't have anything for the Sonax. If this video has been of some inspiration to you, or you just really enjoy watching car cleaning videos, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate all the likes, comments, new subscribers is all fantastic. See you all again soon. Bye.